You gonna be big. Yep. Straight up. You gonna be big. Go to TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how that.
Fast away. You hear me? Yeah. Hey, y'all. Hey, let me put somebody on Go to TV screen real fast. My nigga. Go to TV. Tell them. Hey, pause this on real fast. Let my little boy say some shit. Tell them for what to do, y'all. You hear me? You on Go to TV right now. Talk that shit.
Ain't gotta say too much, you know what I'm saying? Y'all nigga in charge, 19-year-old millionaire. Stop counting.
And what else? And what else? Yeah, over the other way, gang shit, bitch. I got y'all on the phone, my little bro, nigga, yeah, nigga, gang shit. You know what I'm saying with the red heart, yeah, my little nigga. My favorite color red. Hey, bro, turn out for what? Whole lot of wrecks, whole lot of money. You know, one time a show, two times a search, man. Young niggas in charge for real, man. You hear me? You know, one time to the OG niggas and the old niggas, special solid old niggas, all the plenty hating old niggas, they go suck God niggas that. You hear me? You're one get two folks about them, bro. You hear me? You hear me, bro? Yeah, man, tell me out for what, man? Gang, bang. Load me up. I'm gonna shoot the fuck out. I'm finna give you a hit verse. I'm finna get a hit, fool.
Let me get that hit verse. Let me get that hit verse.
I'm gonna tell them fuck up.
You already know.
They give you a hit verse, fool. I'm telling you, fool. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna get him out a hit verse. Hit. Huh? I'm calling back to the room, you hear me? Calling back to the room. Alright, look. Hey, let me see that, what is that? Oh yeah. Turn out for what, nigga, guy shit.
Hey, Pook.
Whole lot of racks, nigga.
Pook,
what up? Let me see this joint right here. Hold on, hold this joint on me.
Pook.
What up?
Hey, he cutting them. He cutting them.
Hit him.
You told me what we doing?
Yeah, he said hit him. Let me see this one.
Yeah, nigga. No. I like how the hook sing. Like it's different boys.
Niggas never had these goals like me.
Gang shit, bitch. Whole lot of racks, motherfucker. Nigga on some out. 100,000. You see that circle right there? That means it's 100. If you ain't got that circle and it's just diamonds right there, your shit cheap, ho. You can't step inside me. No. You already know, ho. We don't focus you. No. You already know, no. Gang, bitch. Woo. You know what I'm saying? Bird flu in this bitch. It's cool. I got $250,000 jewelry on right now.
That nigga shit. Charles on the Facts. $250,000.
You horse? Huh. You dig what I'm saying? You yeah, man. I ain't see it. I did. I'm sorry, I'm psych. Bitch. Gang shit, whole lot of ranks. What them done? Gang. One time to Go to TV. Horse. Fuck this.
You gonna be big. Straight up. You gonna be big. Go to TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how that.